Welcome to my channel today. I'm going to talk about how to prevent your orchids from insect problems. There are two methods. The first method is to use powdered cinnamon to the root of each orchid. Put just 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. This method will prevent your orchid from the bugs to come to body of your orchids. The second method is the use of apple slices. Put 1 slice of apple to the soil of each orchid. Let it wait for 1 night. After 1 night you will see the bugs will gather under the slice of each apple. Apply this method 3 nights in a row, and you will see in the end, you will get rid of bugs in your orchids. You will have healthy orchids by this method. If you like this video, please subscribe.